Hi, today I'm here. I want to do my lovely hair, and I look forward to see my lovely hair. Thank you. Already clean my hair. He just put them bath back now. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, I'm with Fazil. I'm about to cut his hair. We're gonna do number 3 on the sides and back. We might taper it in, we might square, but we'll see.
Yeah, good. Thank you very much.
Okay, haircut done.
Oh,
All lined out.
Nice.
Nice and natural. Ready to get the system on. Okay, so I've just lined everything up. Looks pretty good to me, but I'm gonna double check it. And then after that, we'll be getting our adhesive. So we're just popping on some skull protector real quickly. Helps to secure the bond. Very simple. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to tape up your system. So when you're away and you can do it, you need to do it on your own. This is the way to do it. Obviously, we're still using glue in the front. So you only tape around the sides, right? You see these lines here?
Yeah.
I always go up to these lines, basically. It's double-sided tape. Okay. So I go right up to that line. Get it as close to the edge as you can.
Yeah.
Obviously. And then I always just peel off the middle one so it just gets out of my way.
Both sides stick, yeah?
Yeah, basically you go, double-sided sticky tape. Do it all around the perimeter, except for the front. The front we leave.
So
Okay?
no middle? In the middle?
No.
Okay.
No, just on the outside. It's so strong that the middle is, and we put it on so tight that the middle is flush.
Okay.
100%. It is just no need to put any more on.
Okay.
Once we've done this, so we'll be doing that the whole way around until I reach the front.
Okay.
Alrighty. Obviously, around these side bits and stuff, you kind of want to sort of curve your angle a little bit. So I just take off the corners a little bit. Obviously, get yourself a nice sharp pair of scissors. Makes life a bit easier. But I think a lot of people, they ask the questions, how does it feel when it's on and stuff like that. But from what I've heard from other people, obviously I don't wear one, they do feel like having glue on. It feels exactly the same, if not tighter. But I mean, they work differently for everyone. One person,
that's it, yes.
yeah. So yeah, on this back bit, I've just sort of curved it. Okay,
Yeah.
so it goes with sort of the contour
Yeah, I know
of
what
the
you mean.
system.
Yeah.
It's worth it,
Yeah.
that if you do a good job,
Of course.
it looks really, good results.
It's make you 15 years, 20 years younger.
Yeah, yeah, it certainly does. Okay. Tape,
Yeah.
done. So all we do now is just put a bit of glue in this bit, okay, but obviously not on the system, on your head. So that's what I'm going to do now. Right, just applying some adhesive. Obviously I try to apply a centimetre
1 centimeter, yeah.
above my lines, yeah. Okay, our first layer of adhesive has gone clear. Time for second layer. Head down a bit, bud. Head, just head. That's it. Head down again. Perfect. Right, I'm just wiping off my guidelines. The system's on.
My hair look lovely.
So we're gonna have a little tweak, a little tidy up, make sure everything's perfect, and then we'll style it, and you'll be on your way. It's looking good. It's looking good. So, all we waxing up, you have a little feel of that one. Just use a tiny bit, right? You can put it in your hair if you like to. But it's super soft, right? So it doesn't like build up massively in the hair. And obviously we're gonna wash our hair, say twice a week. So you want something that's really light, okay? This product is completely clear in my hands.
Okay.
100%, okay? So, obviously, yeah, get it into the hair, style it the way you want it. But the best thing about this product, really, I mean, you know, bedhead, you better call me up. But it's good because you can reactivate it with water. All you need to do in the morning is use your leave-in conditioner and give it a spray, brush it, and you reactivate the wax. You don't need to keep using it. The more you add, the more you're going to need to clean it. So use as least as you can. And with the hard to get product for hair systems, it's a winner, 100%.
Hi, my name is Fazil. That's my hairs. Look lovely. I'm very, very happy. Thank you. Everyone's coming here when it's it's very easy, very simple. So make yourself happy. Thank you very much.